Back another with a box from a 3-box auction I got. This one popped open as I picked it up. It's kind of flimsy. I think this is only a couple items. Alright. Flex Beats mini box. Flex Beats. Looks new, but we'll see if everything works. Behringer headphones could be good, depending on, you have to look them up, but Behringer is usually a good brand. I get a lot of microphones from them. iPhone 7 headphone adapter. Bluetooth under cabinet music system. Again, double check that everything works. Yeah, it's gonna be a quick one. Solar lights. Those are probably, never got one of those that worked. Media bridge coax cable. And no idea. I'll have to look it up. Might be specialized, no idea. So I was just gonna toss it, but it might be a specialized cable. We'll check it out. Alright, these are good. Assuming they're not broken and they still work. I think I got about 60-70 bucks for the last 2 pairs I sold. Okay, so I just got this opened. And the last couple I had were, so this is busted. You could tell the person who ever returned it tried to glue it on. So this is busted. I'll try to sell it as parts, or I'll hold on to it, because I got a unit one time that was perfectly, physically it was good, and I pilfered the battery out of a bad unit, fixed it, and was able to sell it. Replacing the battery on these are very easy if you need to do it. So I'll either try to sell it and get some money. This does not have the dongle, so I got to see what I can sell it for. But there you go. Level headphones, premium modding series 6-pin extension cord, cords that look busted, speaker. So this is a Serwin Vega 6x9-inch speaker, car speaker. See that? Headphones, usually if they fit or if they work, you can get 7-8 bucks out of them. But usually I just keep them for myself. Sell these for $24. Well, this unit's dead here, so tried to factory reset it. It's not coming on. So we'll see. Double check they power up. This is an adapter. Depending on the adapters, some sell for $10 and over. So another pop socket that looks busted. So I have Nintendo and Super Nintendo games. So these systems I will boot up and make sure everything works. Microphone stand, Gear 2 charger, that might be worth something, and this is pretty heavy. Step down power transformer. It smells like metal. Alright, quick box, a lot of big things. Thanks for watching. More to come.